It's February 9th, I believe. 9th or 8th. As you can see, we have that much snow. It's 2013. This is going to be like known as the Great Blizzard of 2013. There's cars that you can't even like see were cars. They're just mountains of snow. I think we got close to 30 inches, if not more. And me and Abe are going to go out and play a little bit.
I just woke up.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hello. Turn around. Say hello. Say good morning.
Hello. Good morning. I feel tired.
All right. We're going out in the snow.
I know.
Bings. You going to go out with us? Yeah, handsome. You're going to be going in the snow with us, huh? He's more interested in a couple of shadows. So we're going to venture out in this. And we're taking TJ with us, so that should be fun. But that's what we're dealing with right now. Looks like the actual snow has stopped. But again, it's like 2 or 3 feet of snow. All right.
I still don't think this is going to work.
Come outside. All right, TJ, you ready?
That's just mean.
He's not happy.
This is just cruel.
Yeah,
you
ready?
can't. Hold on. You can't.
What's hard? What's going on? The snow. Look at the snow. Look at all the snow, baby. The snow.
Oh, no, careful. Keithy, please pick him up.
Open the door.
Pick him up.
TJ's had enough.
Pick the poor thing up.
TJ's had enough.
Oh, okay, Mama's gonna. All right, here we go.
You recording?
Yep.
All right, let's do this. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to come out, I don't think.
That's what I'm telling you. I'm too short for this.
It's up to my hips most. And this was plowed. They already plowed this.
Wow.
Come on in.
Well, stop taking such big steps. I can't fit in them. They're too far away.
This is not snow.
This is hilarious.
Are you seeing this? And I think I'm gonna get out and drive to go to my parents.
That's not happening.
Come over here and give me the camera. The only reason you can walk is because of me.
I just fell down. Ugh.
All right, give me that. All right, go ahead, go towards the car. Oh. Go ahead, go ahead, boo-boo. You go make your way towards the car. I'm gonna watch. You know what it's like? It's like being 5 again when you get like just a foot of snow, right?
Okay. That's how deep the snow is.
Damn. And again, this was already plowed. He plowed this last night. Oh, this is so amazingly deep. Yeah.
Ow.
This is insane.
Getting stuck.
This is insane.
Getting stuck.
I can't remember this much snow.
It's getting deeper, that's why I'm getting stuck.
It's getting deeper, that's why I'm getting stuck. My gloves and my hat are in the car.
Okay. No. Keith, what are you doing? How's the car supposed to breathe?
What is that?
How is the car supposed to get any oxygen?
What are you talking
The engine.
about? Did you really just say that?
I'm just saying.
How's the car
it's
gonna
like,
get oxygen?
look it, it's all under there. Doesn't it need air?
How's the car gonna get oxygen?
I don't think.
I pray you're recording. Are you recording?
Yes.
Thank God.
I am not understanding.
Honey, it's not underwater. It's under fucking snow.
So you think it could bring in air under the snow?
Yes.
I don't know about that.
How's it gonna get oxygen?
That's a lot of snow, Keith.
All right, can I have the broom?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you record while I clean. Wow.
I think I need a better vantage point here.
Wow, this side of the car is gone. You just can't even make out there's a car here.
Push everything that way from this side.
What do you say?
Push everything that way from this side. That way we can pull out and clean it all out after it's...
There's no way I'm pulling out of anywhere.
Well, I mean later, obviously.
There's a drip up to the door over here.
Is there?
Yeah. Wow. This is like horribly deep. There is a car under there, I promise.
Somewhere.
Look at that. We got lights and everything.
This is crazy.
Yeah, this is nuts.
You're never getting over to your parents' house
No.
today.
God, no.
How heavy is it?
It's not heavy, it's just there's insane amounts.
It's so deep I can do the Captain Morgan pose without...
Trying?
Yep.
Like, this is insanity. Wow. There we go.
You're gonna get all wet.
Where is there a car? Feels like I'm digging and digging.
Did you find it?
This is nuts. Do me a favor, come over here, zoom in on this and show the level that we're at. And we went out last night at what? 8 o'clock?
It was
7?
8, 9. This is incredibly deep.
If I'm pushing the snow off, and it's level with the front of the car.
Yep, I'm seeing that.
Don't do that, we'll lose this.
Yeah, I know.
Come back in spring.
You're no good at this.
This is a lot of snow. Would you like to try?
I bet you I could do a better job.
Bet you can't.
Bet you I could.
Have at it, muscles. Have fun. Yeah, have fun. Can't even walk in it.
it, and it's just on top of a pile.
I tried telling you there's a mound on the other end.
Yeah, the car ended. That's just a pile on the other side.
I won't be able to leave to go to my parents until I guess probably like 9 o'clock tonight, 8 o'clock tonight.
Probably right.
By the time they plow the roads.
They're not going to get to this little road forever.
No. We're destroying our broom.
It actually goes back to normal. I did clean the car in the October storm with this broom.
Just put on the windshield wipers. That should knock that block off, right?
You'll hear it go. You got the heat on in there?
The car looks better. I don't know if it looks nice. We're still stuck though, so it doesn't even matter.
We just clear it off for later.
True. Alright, let's head back in. Can't go anywhere until they either plow or dig or whatever the hell they need to do. Backhoe. Wow, because that doesn't look dangerous at all, Eve.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And there she goes.
I got snow down my pants. You got the keys.
Yep. No, you do.